Well, I just walked up to get some fudge. Been getting the truck ready to do the transmission swap since I sold that motor. Got that off there, and that's just my tarps. Everything's going to be coming together. I got my fender drug out so I can clean this up, paint it and stuff, but I just got me a little snack. It's not too chilly out. I'm trying to do all the work I can to it while I'm at it. And took things up around here. I've got all kinds of stuff in my derby car. I need to be able to put on marketplace and sell, and I'll know here in a few exactly what all I can post, or how many I can post at once or get done. But as you can tell, I'm gonna have to do some patching, but that ain't my biggest concern. I'm about to put my other tires on, and I need to take the slave cylinder off on the passenger side. This is an 87 Nissan D21, just a 2-wheel drive hard body. I've got my dad's 90 model grill in it, and I've sold the stock headlights. This is a 4-wheel drive fender. I'm gonna go with the 4-wheel drive fender up front. Custom mirrors, but there's one of my wheels right here. I gotta put lower profile tires on here. Let's see what they are. They're just barely too big for my little Nissan. I want it. Okay, 235, 75. 235, 75. Take a picture. And I can get, maybe I can sell those. Carry that. I want to put a Toyota front bumper on and a Phantom grill in it, because the Toyota front bumper will go low, especially after the spindles, drop spindles and lowering blocks. This can be just a spare, of course. That's what that is. I was seeing if it was the same size. It looks to be. Nobody's going to buy that one anyways. Let's look and see. I've got 4 of these. They're a little bit wider, it seems like. They are. There you go. 235, 75. Maybe the same. 235, 75. What's this one? While I'm at it, on a derby car, it's just a little driver light, but something. 215.70. And that's just the way I hit it with something, or let my boy hit it. He just took a hit there while I was trying to get a boy to knock me off. But I come off the line wide open. Learned my lesson there. Wasting my time. Let's see if I can. No, it's covered up. Save that for another day. I've got videos on here. But y'all have a good one. I'm gonna get under here. It's night time. I'm gonna get under here and get everything laid out, so I can drop that in the morning. Probably go ahead and put my field line on tonight. I might try to go live when I do that, if I can set up my tripod. But God bless y'all.